Hi everyone, Plus2 here. This is not a scholarship calculus question, but I thought it can be. It's quite an interesting question. I liked it, and I challenged some of my students in my school, but no one solved it, so I'm gonna solve it. And, if you haven't seen this question before, I challenge you. So I made this based on existing question. Okay. So there was a big fire. I'm reading the question here on a tall building. So meaning this building, right? Yeah. Um, Next to a 3 by 3 small building over here, a fire engine came. This is my picture, by the way, uh, to extinguish the fire. It had a 12 meters long ladder, so making this hypotenuse from the ground. So hypotenuse is 12. If the ladder had to lean on the 3 by 3 building, how high can it reach to the tall building? Okay, now, mm, so this can be solved in few ways, I believe. But the best way, I believe, is use algebra. So the easiest way, keep it simple, isn't it? So this height is x, the one we want to know, and the base, let's say y, right? So one thing we know is, according to Pythagorean theorem, x squared plus y squared is 12 squared, which is 144. Now, do you know this red triangle and say this blue small one? They are similar triangle, isn't it? So hence, I can say, so I'm trying to find the relationship between x and y. X minus 3, so the height of this red to height of this small blue one is 3, isn't it? Equals base 3 to y minus 3, isn't it? Right? So according to this ratio, x minus 3 times y minus 3 must be 9, which means xy minus 3 x plus y equals, oh, sorry. Yeah, 0. Because it's plus 9 equals 9, so it's 0, is it? So that means xy equals 3x plus y, right? Now, oops. Now, because we know x squared plus y squared, and we have a relationship between xy and x plus y, why don't I say x plus y squared? That is x squared plus y squared plus 2xy, isn't it? Right? So you see xy, so I can say this is x squared plus y squared plus 2 times 3 times x plus y, which means 6x plus y, isn't it? You understand? 2 times x, 2 times 3x plus y, which is 6x plus y, right? So that's actually good because we know x squared plus y squared is 144. So if I write it again, x plus y squared minus 6x plus y minus 144 equals 0. If you are really smart, you see where I'm going. I'm making quadratic equation, right? So let u be x plus y. So u squared minus 6u minus 144 equals 0. You could use the completing the square or the quadratic formula to solve this, but I'm gonna use calculator. So we go menu, equation is here. equation and polynomial, isn't it? And degree 2, and the coefficient of x squared is 1, and minus 6 and minus 144, and solve. So I've got one 15.369, the other one is a negative number. So we don't even care for negative number. That's rubbish, isn't it? So hence x plus y must be, sorry, how much was it? 15.37 would be enough, right? 15.37. So that way, now we have a relationship between x and y. So what it means is, I'm gonna make y the subject. So y equals what? 15 minus 37 minus x, right? So we can plug this into that equation, x squared plus y squared equals 144, to find x, right? That's what we want, isn't it? So x squared plus 15.37 minus x squared minus 144 equals 0. So we are finding this x from this quadratic equation again. So x squared plus, I'm going to change this. So it should be 15.37 squared, isn't it? Which is 236.24 minus 15.237 times by 2, 30.74 x plus x squared minus 144 equals 0. So if I simplify, 2x squared minus 30.74x, and if I 236.24, is it? Minus 144. So that's 92.24 equals 0, right? The perfect time to use a calculator. So exit. So A is 2, B is minus 30.74, and C is 92.24, and solve. Right. So I've got two answers. So one is 11.282. I believe that is X, longer side, right? 4.0809 must be Y, shorter side. Hence, I have to say X equals 11.28, was it? Double check. Yeah, 28 meters. All right, that was interesting, eh? I will see you next time. Bye.